Feeling lost about how to make money with crypto? You're not alone. Crypto offers real ways to earn, from active trading to passive staking and lending. But here's the truth. It's not about luck, it's about strategy. Trading means buying low and selling high, but it takes skill and timing. Long-term holders, or HODLers, simply buy and wait, believing in the project's future value. Prefer passive income? You can stake coins like Ethereum or Cosmos to earn rewards while helping secure the network, or lend stablecoins like USDC to earn interest, just like a digital bank. Each method has its own balance of reward and risk. High returns often come with high volatility, so start small and always do your own research. In 2023 alone, crypto scams cost investors $5.6 billion, so keep your assets safe. Use trusted exchanges, hardware wallets, and two-factor authentication. Taxes matter too. Every trade or staking reward is taxable, so accurate tracking is essential. That's where Finotor helps. It automates your reports, tracks every transaction, and keeps you compliant. Crypto can be risky, but with discipline and the right tools, it becomes an opportunity. The secret? Learn, diversify, and manage your portfolio like a pro. Whether you invest 100 or 1,000 euros, tools like Finotor let you see your profits clearly and plan your next move. So, are you ready to turn crypto chaos into clarity? Start small, stay smart, and let your crypto work for you.